Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope all of you doing great at home. But don't forget to eat healthy food and don't go outside your home, okay? Okay, today we talk about in this unit, still in unit 6, about the sun and shadow, matahari dan bayangan. Nah, what you will learn to do in this unit, I want you to describe how the sun gives us heat and light, and then describe what shadow are. Nah, yang pertama, Miss Jin mau kalian mengetahui bagaimana matahari memberi kita kehangatan atau panas serta cahaya. Lalu, mengetahui apakah itu bayangan dan bayangan apa saja Kak itu. Nah, the first about the sun, matahari. Heat and light from the sun, panas dan cahaya dari matahari. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun makes its own light and heat. Nah, matahari di sini memberi cahaya dan panas. Jadi menghasilkan cahaya atau panas. Lalu, it is a star made of glowing hot gases. Jadi matahari adalah salah satu bintang. The sun looks brighter and larger than other stars. This is because the sun is closer to the earth than other stars. The sun is so bright that you cannot see other stars during the day. Next, the sun heats and light in daily life. We can use the sun's heat and light in many ways. Nah, kita dapat menggunakan matahari atau untuk berbagai macam kegiatan seperti the sun keeps us warm, memberi kita kehangatan. Nah, lalu sunlight help us see. Jadi saat siang matahari atau saat siang matahari membantu kita untuk melihat. Lalu it helps plants to grow. Nah, membantu tanaman untuk bertumbuh. Ya, seperti kita tahu yaitu adalah proses fotosintesis. And then the sun's energy can create electricity. Nah, dapat membuat listrik. Namanya solar energy. We use solar energy in different ways like heating water or cooking food. Nah, next. Nah, di sini Miss Jane punya eksperimen. We have large jug, water, 40 bags, sunlight, and watch our clock. Nah, di sini Miss Jane punya bateko ya, dan diisi 4 teh. Lalu diisi air, diletakkan di bawah sinar matahari. And then I want you to answer this question. Number 1, what happens to the water? And then, is the water warm? Why or why not? And how can solar energy help us cook food? Nah, explain your ideas. Nah, Miss Jane sudah berikan jawabannya ya. I have already give you the answer. But don't forget to write down in your book. Nah, number 1, the water starts to get warm. Nah, jadi lama-kelamaan teko tadi akan panas. The longer we live in the sun, the hotter it will get. The water gets warm because the heat from the sun causes it to get warm. Nah, number 3, if we could trap the heat of the sun, we could use it to cook food. Nah, kalau kita menangkap sinar matahari atau panasnya sinar matahari, itu dapat membuat kita untuk membuat makanan. Nah, lalu if heat can go into something like a solar cooker and not get out easily, the food will cook or stay warm. Jadi seperti rice cooker. Panasnya jadi electricity. Jadi tetap panas di situ ya, jadi makanan atau nasinya tetap hangat. Nah, our solar system. Nah, this is our solar system. The sun is the closest star to our planet Earth. The Earth and other planets move around or orbit the sun. Nah, jadi The Earth and other planets move around the Sun. The Sun and planets from the solar system. Now, this is the planet in our solar system. Next, the Sun is made of gas. The Sun is made of gas. It is not made of rocks and soil. Nah, dari Sun itu matahari terbuat bentuknya ataupun isinya itu terbuat dari gas. Jadi bukan dari batu ataupun tanah. It does not have oceans, mountains, or weather like the Earth. Nah, jadi tidak punya samudra atau tidak punya laut, tidak punya gunung, tidak punya cuaca atau musim seperti bumi. The moon is also part of the solar system. Nah, the moon, bulan. It moves around the Earth. Bulannya mengelilingi bumi. It does not make its own light. Tidak bisa menerangi dirinya sendiri. It reflects the light from the sun. Jadi bulan itu mendapat cahaya dari matahari. We see the different parts of the moon as it moves around the earth during the month. Nah, next. Now we talk about shadow. Questions ya. Do shadows appear at night or during the day? Nah, apakah bayangan itu keluar saat malam atau saat siang hari? Nah, keep your answer. Simpan dulu jawabannya ya. And then the second, how can you make your shadow bigger or smaller? Nah, bagaimana kalian membuat bayangan kalian menjadi besar atau kecil? Nah, I have the answer. How shadow forms? This picture shows how a shadow of the tennis ball forms. We have the torch and then the ball, the tennis ball. Number 1, light rays from the torch travel outwards its straight lines. Nah, jadi cahaya dari center tadi keluar menuju ke bola tenis tadi, straight line, garis lurus. A shadow forms when the tennis ball blocks the light beam coming from the torch. Nah, ini bayangannya itu, light beam itu, bayangan dari tenis tadi, bola tenis itu menuju ke center. Lalu, the shadow forms of the other side of the tennis ball from where the torch is. Nah, jadi bayangannya itu bisa ada di sini, light beam ini. Nah, you can practice in your home ya. Maybe if you have the torch, ada center, lalu kalian menerangi sebuah bola. Nah, kalian bisa lihat bayangan bola di mana. Atau paling gampang kalian berdiri di bawah sinar matahari lalu melihat bayangan kalian. Nah, itu adalah shadow. Next, question. What shape do you think the shadow on the wall will be? And why? Nah, shadow-nya itu kira-kira bentuknya apa ya? Tetap bola tenis atau berubah? Lalu, will the shadow on the wall be smaller, larger, or the same size as the tennis ball? Why do you think so? Nah, jadi bayangannya itu besarnya sesuai dengan bola tenis ini, atau lebih kecil, ataupun besar, ataupun sama. Nah, Miss Ci sudah berikan jawabannya. You can write down in your book. The shape will be the same as the tennis ball shape. Ya, jadi bentuknya tetap sama seperti bola tenis tadi, tidak berubah. It will be larger in size because the ball blocks the light to form the shadow. The beam of light from the torch spreads out of the ball onto the wall. Nah, tadi yang pertama, what shape do you think the shadow on the wall will be? Nah, tetap sama. Shadow-nya tetap sama bola tenis. Ya. Yang kedua, apakah besar, kecil, atau sama? Nah, ternyata jawabannya besar karena bola tenisnya membelakangi dari sinar, ya, dari sinarnya center tadi, blocks the light from the torch. Oke, sudah tahu ya? Oke. For your information, jadi sebagai informasi saja, this is the planets in our solar system. We have the Sun. The first planet called Mercury. The second, Venus. The third, Earth. The fourth, Mars. And then Jupiter. And then Saturnus, Uranus, Neptunus, and the last maybe the little planet that we don't, or in our case, we do not talk about that, called Pluto, but not in here. Okay? Okay, that's all for your participation in this class, and do not homework for this session. Okay? That's all. Bye-bye. See you on the next week.